What's up, YouTube? We here with another one. Without further ado, we're gonna jump straight into the charts. Alright, here we got Nvidia pulled up, okay? We got Nvidia pulled up. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna mark the low of 164.79. Okay? And then we're gonna mark the high of 216.96. We on a 1 day chart, right? Okay, we on a 1 day chart. Okay. Now we see another form of support right here at, I'm gonna say 196.26. Okay, 196.26. Okay, and then we're gonna mark another level of resistance at 217.05. All right, now let's drop down to the 4 hours and see what the market is telling us. I always do and react to what the market is telling you. Okay. Now, Nvidia is currently at 215.20. It's currently at 215.20. It had reached its all-time highs at 217.76. All right. It reached its all-time highs at about right here, 217.76. All right. If we can break this line right here, 216.96, then we're going to boom, 220. Remember, Nvidia like to make $5 moves. Also, the market like to react to whole numbers. So the next whole number is 220. Okay, I always think if not this, then that. If not this, then that. So if it don't break 216 and go to 220, then we will be looking for the down move. Because remember, it's May and investors like to sell in May and go away. That's the term that they use. Sell in May and go away. Also, the market is overbought right now. So don't get caught with the rug pull. Remember, the stocks are overbought right now. So don't get caught with the rug pull. Now let's drop down to the 1 hour. Boom. We want to go to the 1 hour. Okay. Let's make this a little thinner. Boom. Now, look at this. Boom. All right, we have a little range right here. So I know if it can break this 214 level, the next level it's going to react to is this gap right here. 212.57 and 212.99. That's 212.57 and 212.99. Okay. It would like to markets like to react to gaps. It always fill gaps. Okay. One confluence that I believe it might go down is this big wick. Look how big this wick is right here. On this one right here. Look at this wick. Right here. Look how big this wick is. So that's one indication that we could be going back down. Another indication is it look like it's making lower highs. It look like it want to make lower highs. So if we take, let's see, this is what you need to focus on when market open, because this will determine on what the market would do next. All right, if we go here, come here, it already reached here, close here, then come here, and then it do this, and then break this. This is a good indication that we know it's going down, okay? Because it's making lower highs, okay? So if it break this, it's coming back down to fill this gap at 212.55 and 212.92, okay? And we're just gonna make a note of, here. We're gonna mark this right here. We would go here, but it's a lot of reactions in the bodies at this level right here. So, cause some people might go here and say, oh, well this, but you wanna go with what the candles is telling you. So I'm gonna go here. So if it can break, I don't see it breaking 211 no time soon. But if it could break 211, then our next level it wanna go to is 204. Okay? So remember, the market can change at the drop of a dime. So just take this information that I'm giving you with a grain of salt, because we don't know what will happen when the market open or by time the market open, okay? So just take this information with a grain of salt, and if I get the chance, I'm gonna give you an update on what's next to come. And I hope you like this video. I sure appreciate your time. Thanks for everything. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, turn on your notification, click all, and do your best to make this video get at least 10 likes. Until the next time, take care.